Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe. Can I get a hey? Today we're not doing makeup at all, we're relaxing. We're having some self-care, skincare. And today we're going to do the Fenty Beauty, I have to start calling it what it's called. Fenty Skin skincare review. I'm so used to doing makeup tutorials, I keep saying makeup. But anyways, we'll peep this glow. I just did the 3 steps. It's 6 products condensed into 3. If you are curious about it or want to see how it is, I've used it for a week, so I'll touch base with you again. But I feel like I got a really good feel for it for people with sensitive skin, dry skin. We're going to talk about skincare. We're going to use it. We're going to get this glow. And take off a little bit of makeup on my hand only because I'm not going to go to bed, you feel me? Anyways, if you want to see how to get the look of nothing, just a little glow, then please stay tuned. Okay, so I'm really excited about this because I feel like it's kind of like the busy person's skincare routine or a lazy person's skincare routine. Or for me, somebody who I don't really do the whole 100-step makeup routine I keep saying makeup because I'm not used to doing skincare stuff, but skincare routine. I'm pretty minimal when it comes to skincare. I do what my skin needs as it needs it because my skin changes so much. This is all pretty basic, your basic kind of skincare needs. My skin has been acting quite a bit differently because of wearing a mask and like getting a period and being stressed out and all those fun things. So I'm really excited about the skincare line. I have used it for a little while, still kind of lightening up some blemish marks, but I just want to go through each product with you because it is like they condense 6 steps of skincare into 3 products. Like I said, I'm somebody who is pretty gentle with my skincare because I have eczema, very sensitive skin. I have eczema rash on my neck right now and I've been using it on it and it doesn't seem to bother me at all. Again, everybody's skin's different and has different skin allergies, so make sure you're doing what feels right for you. So first up, and I'm going to try and like do my skincare in front of a camera, not at a sink. So wish me luck. We have the Total Cleanser. So the 2-in-1 for this one is a makeup remover and a cleanser for your skin. I'll show you right, y'all. And they all have really cool packaging. So this one I was like trying to take off the lid, but you don't. You just twist the top and then it'll open up. They've also got really great ingredients. I actually look at ingredients because I used to work at a skincare. When I was like 17, I worked at this like hippie spot and I learned a lot about ingredients. So I do look at ingredients, key ingredients for my skin. This one has some really cool ones. The Total Cleanser. So this has lots of stuff. Barbados cherry, ginkgo biloba. I don't know how to read. And green tea, fig, quince. So Barbados cherry actually has lots of antioxidants, which is going to make your skin, slow it down from aging so much, and packed with more vitamin C than an orange. Ginkgo biloba will help to control oil and clarify skin. Now, a lot of times with stuff that's oil control, sometimes that's not just for oily people. I have very dry skin and I like oil control because even though I'm dry, oil control doesn't mean it's taking oil away, it just balances it. So for me, why I like stuff that has oil control in it is because my face can get dry and patchy, and that can be because the oil is not really balanced. So it takes away oil in the patches and then produces too much in other areas. If you are oily, it will keep it balanced or whatever, but I just find my makeup goes on smoother when I do use a few oil controlling products, even though I'm not really oily. Although in this climate with it being humid, wearing a mask, it is good to have oil control just with sweat and stuff like that. Green tea, which is rich in antioxidants and defends against environmental stress. Fig, a dessert-loving fruit that's rich in antioxidants, and quince, rare fruit infused with minerals to help condition. So it kind of knocks out everything. I feel like it's for like all skin types. Like I said, I've been using it. It's very gentle. So I'm gonna get into this one. I have like a little bowl of water here, so just bear with me as I try to do my first cleansing on my channel in my makeup room. So I'm just gonna wet my face. And it is a makeup remover. I don't have any makeup, but I put a little bit of this waterproof liner on my hand. As you can see, it's not coming off. And I'm gonna get this nice and fuzzy like this. Some water. I'm gonna get it nice and juicy. But it's such a beautiful, luxurious, like foamy cleanser. And then I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. I don't actually do cleanser a lot. It says to use it twice a day. I would only use it once a day because my skin is so sensitive. Usually with skin with eczema, they recommend you to not put too much water on your face or use too many cleansers, but this is quite gentle. I do it once a day. Just giving myself a nice little massage, which is nice to do before you do your makeup and everything. Like I said, I'll put it on my eczema. I didn't get it fancy enough. But I'll even put it on here to get the long wearing stuff off, and you can see I'm just gently massaging it. It's gonna come off. Yeah, beautifully. I'm not even pushing hard. I'll show you that when I rinse my hand, but it's like she's left the building. Doesn't hurt if you get it in your eyes, although I'm not saying put it in your eyes. I just am always like careful because I'm also wearing contacts, which you don't want to do when you're doing this stuff, but it just feels nice to give yourself a nice little massage. Should have done an ASMR. My eyes are open, I feel fine. I'm going to take a little bit of water on this cloth to take it off. This is why I have my hair wrapped in this baggy sweater because I'm like, I'm finna make a mess. But look, nothing on my hand. Those were long wearing waterproof liners. I got it off very gently. Even with mascara, it actually gets it off quite nice. But I'm just impressed because like so many times I'm just like, not in the mood to be doing no like freaking 20-step skincare routine, and it can irritate my skin quite a bit, so that's why I kind of keep it simple. That's why I think this is so cool. I can spend less time kind of tugging on my skin or stripping my skin, and more time getting all the benefits of the stuff because I don't have to put so many steps in. And like I said, I don't do everything all the time, but I do stuff as I'm getting older too. I find I'm having to do a little bit more with skincare. Not so much for breakouts and stuff, even though I have broken out, but just to keep my skin balanced, have it looking its best, having it look younger. So I'm going to go into the Fat Water, which I'm a huge fan of. Fat Water is a pore refining toner serum hybrid. Like, also I'm just going to say too, like my skin doesn't feel super tight after just like cleansing it, and usually that is a problem with me with cleanser. I feel like I'm just like, because my skin is so dry. So anyways, this improves the look of dark spots, brightens, smooths, and fights shine, not dry hair, no alcohol, it won't strip skin or dry you out. It's called Fat Water because it's thick. And its unique texture means you can pour it onto your hand to apply. No cotton pads necessary, less waste, which is great because it is a little thicker. You can use it with your hands. But it has niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, helps reduce the look of dark spots, even skin tone, and fight excess shine. Barbados cherry, again with the vitamin C. Australian lemon, myrtle, and witch hazel, which can help reduce oil and refine pores. Witch hazel by itself actually causes pores to swing. So it's actually nice. Witch hazel by itself, like in your armpits, kind of tighten the pores, and like it can reduce sweating, oil, all that kind of stuff. Japanese raisin tree to help detoxify, and cactus flower to help hydrate, green tea, and fig, again with the antioxidants. So I'm going to do that same thing, twist top like this. Bloop, bloop, bloop. That's a lot. I didn't need that much, but I just got carried away with trying to show you. But this doesn't burn. A lot of pore refining serums or toners can have a little tingle. This one doesn't really. Also, these are very low in scent, if they even have a scent at all. Like, I can't even smell anything. But I've heard someone say it smells like something, and I'm like, I didn't smell that at all, but that's just maybe me. Just using one hand. I know you're just supposed to like press this in, but I put way too much. I have to blend it in. And it feels really nice. So again, like I said, you're doing two things at once, so you're saving time. I would just tap it in until it feels a little bit sticky. Honestly, this motion, even though I know you're supposed to do it, okay, that'll make my skin red for sure. That's on my freaking no attention span. Anyways, I know you're just supposed to press it in, but I personally like to just rub everything in because I'm very gentle with it. I have warm hands. Anyways, like I was saying, you're doing two things at once, and I like that you can get your serum in and kind of tone at the same time. Another thing with toner too, you usually use a cotton pad and you wipe everything away as like your second step cleanser, but this is almost like a treatment in it. So huge fan. Also, it's really great to do it just before makeup. As I said, I've been playing around with this for the last little while, and I feel like doing it right before your makeup, I think because the witch hazel in it, it does seem to make your pores look a little bit smaller up here. I don't know if it's actually doing that. I'm just talking to you as a person who might not know about ingredients and skincare and stuff like that. I'm trying to talk to you as a real human being, and just from what I see, and that's how I like to speak to skincare. They can make all the claims they want, but I like to talk about it from what I see. So anywho, next thing, I'm a huge fan of this, and this is one of the reasons why I didn't actually put this in my last video, because I was going to, but we actually got these a little bit early, gifted, because of COVID and stuff. Some stuff got delivered a little bit early, and they're like, don't talk about it, don't ruin the secret, we like to, you know, announce it ourselves. So I love this. It's a hydrator and a sunscreen all in one. It's SPF 30. Okay, so this is called the Hydrovisor Invisible Moisturizer plus SPF. Love that. I feel like, especially now if you're wearing masks and stuff, it can get a lot if you're wearing moisturizer, primer, freaking SPF all at once. It can feel heavy, and that I don't feel like is very nice underneath masks and whatever else you're doing in the summertime in the heat and stuff like that. But this is, I almost feel like a 3-in-1, because I feel like this is a primer. If you use the fat water and this together, it feels like a primer. Let me tell you what it does. So this is a 2-in-1 sunscreen moisturizer that defends and brightens the skin without reducing the look of pores. It is not chalky, no flashback. I can attest to that. Like, it does blend in really nice. It is hard to find a sunscreen that doesn't make your face white, and this is actually the little bit of tint in there, and the way it blends, it's gorgeous. And blends on all skin tones. They say it blends on my skin tone. I know from my own personal experience. Plays well with makeup, no pilling and zero flashback, as like I just said. Boosts and brightens skin, making pores, fine lines, wrinkles less visible instantly and over time. I agree. That's why I feel like this is a primer. Coral reef friendly, does not contain oxybenzone or octinoxate. Earth conscious and refillable. So has this little thing like this, you can just refill this part, has a little container thing right here. I think this is cool. I think the packaging on their products are really cool. They're also cruelty free and vegan, which I think is super tight too. So let me just show you what this looks like. It's got like a subtle pink kind of hue to it, and I actually put this on my lips too, because my lips have been getting tan, and when they get tan they go gray. But this feels so nice. This is the only thing that I feel like smells like anything, and it smells so freaking good. It's like a little aromatherapy session while you're doing your skincare. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. And I have to put extra on my neck too, just because that's where I'm getting my sun rashes right now. But anyways, it does dry and have a little bit of grip to it, and I think it just feels beautiful. Get your ears too. No one gets their ear. My ears are usually covered with some makeup, but anyways. So good. I love it. So anyways, that's what I was saying, like, it's kind of like girl on the go type of vibes with the skincare. Again, with the Fenty Beauty launch, I feel like it was suitable for all skin tones, but more geared towards if you have oilier skin, because that's what Rihanna has, and that's what I feel like this is too. But I'm the driest bitch in the whole world, and I've had no problems with this. And I really like just how efficient it is. Like, I don't like to sit there and like put on 20 things. Sometimes I will as like self-care day or whatever, but this is really simple. I would probably use the sunscreen just in the daytime, not at night. I'd use like an actual moisturizer to, you know, go to bed with. But anyways, I think the 3 steps together are really good and simple, especially if you're new to skincare or you're intimidated by skincare or intimidated by products, because I know that with me, like, sometimes I'll go into a place and I'll know what my skin concerns are, and people will recommend things like, oh, because you have sensitive skin you need all natural, but a lot of all natural products have stuff that I'm allergic to, stuff that I can't eat is in the products, or stuff that, you know, is really fancy, and I just feel like it's intimidating. This is actually an affordable skincare line where you can take 2 products and put them into one. This also is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just actually think this is really practical and really smart, well thought out skincare. So anyways, I don't know about you if you're gonna cop or drop or get anything, but let me know what you think in the comments section. I'm really looking forward to seeing what's coming out next. Like I said, they start with their very generic, everyone can use stuff, and well, just what I've seen with Fenty Beauty, generic, everyone can use all skin types type of vibe, and then moving into specific skincare needs. So I'm really excited to see where this brand goes. Hopefully there's some type of SPF lip balm, that'd be hella tight. And I have tried it underneath makeup and I feel like it works really well. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself, stay pretty, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care.